Okay, and I'll upload the index page by clicking and dragging. So now you see it's online. And then our header page. Okay, so now that we have both of those there, we're going to click on refresh. And there you go. It says Ben's homepage by Ben. This is my online web page. So now you can see that it has included it in our web page, and this is online. Now, in order to really see where this is being placed, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into here, and we're going to take our box tool here. Let's say we want to make it black. So we take our thing, and as you can see, our default color was already black. So we go underneath it. And so now we have this meter thing here. And you can see that that's a little too bright, so we're going to go back to there and change our drop shadow to a white shadow or a gray shadow so you can still see it. Maybe make it a little bit darker so it doesn't look as bright. And then maybe make that, instead of a blue one, make its opacity up more, and so you can see it better. Might also be a good idea to give it another glow and give it a white one. Reduce that down, and then go inside of it and fix that up to like 2. And that's a little too bright there, so we bring it down. So that really adjusts it so it looks a lot nicer. And then our by Ben thing you can't even see, so you just make it, give it a white glow or a glow. I'll just leave red because that's what the thing is there. So now you can see a lot better. And so we go Control S, which automatically saves it, but it won't change anything online because we still have to re-upload it. Okay, so then we go up here and click refresh. And there you go. Now you can see it's black, but the rest of the page is still all white. And you want that to be at the very top. Sorry about that. And so it doesn't quite fit there, and you don't know why. I'm going to tell you why. If you go back into Dreamweaver here, you can see that we have our image. But right now it's just sitting there in a margin. And I'm going to teach you another quick programming language called CSS. Now inside the head tag, which is right here, you're going to go inside of that and you're going to type style, S-T-Y-L-E. So now we have a style. And then we just, in Dreamweaver, you're going to make the end caret and then hit the end slash. And so it will automatically type that. If you're not using Dreamweaver and it doesn't have autocomplete or anything, you're going to have to type it out. So inside here, we're going to type body without anything before it. And so this refers to the body tag here. Then we're going to make a curly brace. Now that's this key. And inside there, we're going to type margin. And then use the colon, 0. And then type a semicolon. And then we're going to end it with the closing curly brace. And so now we have our margin equals 0. If you go back to our design, you can see that it's placed it at 0, 0. To see the effect actually happen online, we're going to go ahead and save this. And then upload it. And check it out. Now you can see it's spaced there, and now we've repositioned it up there. So that's basically that part. But you want the whole top to be black, but you don't want to create a whole new image. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how you can extend the whole blackness there without repeating that image. So what we're gonna do is actually, this will be very easy, is we go into our code and where this image source is, we're going to go enter and we're going to write division, or div, and then we're going to write id equals, and so we have this, and we have our two things right there, two quotes, and then inside it we're going to type, let's say, top, and then beneath this we're going to take out this BR here because we no longer need it, and we're going to put end div. And so now we have a division starting and a division ending, and this is inside of it. So then now we need to define what top means. So we go up here and we do type top. Inside top we're going to put background. Now what background is it defines the background for the top division. So background. And then inside background we're going to type, and actually in Dreamweaver you can select color. And right now you're going to type in, you can either type in black or you can type in the number sign and 6 zeros. Because that was a little bit easier, I just did that. So if we go to our design, as you can see, it's extended that to the full length, even though our image technically ends here. So then we're going to save it and then upload it and refresh. As you can see, now it's stretched out that full way right there, and it's kept the one image here, but it's left the whole black over there, and this will resize with the window. And so now we have our hello and welcome to my web page here. Let's say you want to make a navigation bar, so we're going to make a simple thing with links on the side here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to reopen up Dreamweaver and create another division. So we're going to actually, for now, we're going to delete this and create another division. Division, end division. And then inside here we're also going to type id equals, we're going to call this sidebar. So now we have our sidebar division here. So we go back up to our style right here. I forgot to end that, I'm sorry. And inside of our style here we're going to press our number sign again, and we're going to call this sidebar. Inside sidebar we're going to do the two curly braces, and in here we're going to do width. Now we're actually going to do a multi-line thing because there's going to be more than one attribute. So we have width here, width, and then we're going to do a colon, and then we're going to say 200 px for pixels. So now visually inside here I'm just going to say hi and then put a lot of eyes after it, just to show you that it will wrap. As you can see, it's stretched out to 200 pixels, and we just fix that there. As you can see, it sticks there. So we take out all of our eyes here. So we have our division sidebar. And so we have our width right here, and inside sidebar we're going to start making links. Now here's how you make links. You do the opening caret, a href, href, which means it's hyper referencing it. So equals, and we're going to make this just say index.html. That's the name